Snow and ice that froze over the Pacific Northwest trudges cross-country. Treacherous roads sending cars sliding from Washington to Alabama.
It's cold, it's freezing.
A year since a blizzard killed dozens of people around Buffalo. Western New York transformed again by winter's wrath. This restaurant is barely recognizable, frozen by the bone-chilling temperatures and buried by feet of lake-effect snow. Parts of the greater Buffalo area have seen more than 60 inches of snow since Saturday. That's almost as tall as I am. Hundreds of trucks and snowplows working to clear roads, with schools closed for the fourth day in a row tomorrow.
Any one of these snow mounds could be a car. You really have to be careful when you're driving through here.
Over the last week, at least 47 people died in the extreme weather nationwide. 3 of those victims killed when a power line fell on their car in Oregon Wednesday. In Wisconsin, DeAndre White's family believes the 40-year-old died of hypothermia, remembering him as someone that would always help others. And in Tennessee, a state of emergency after the most recent winter storms claimed at least 14 lives. This dramatic video just released by state police in nearby Kentucky, capturing the rescue of 4 stranded college students who had been camping. Winds whipping around them. As tonight, the barrage of brutal conditions is burying communities coast to coast.